Hi there, this video will show you everything you need to know about insulating your pipes. We will go over how to measure your system, pick the right product for your project, and finally how to properly install the insulation snakes. For selecting the right pipe insulation, all you need to know is the size of your pipe and the length that you need to insulate. Now you can choose between our two main types of pipe insulation, original snakes and sidewinders. Original snakes can be easily wrapped around corners or obstacles, making it the most versatile option, while sidewinders provide easy access to the pipe without needing to fully unwrap the snake. Now we'll take you over to our new quote request program, Quote Pro by Insulation Snakes, and show you how to add each of these products to your basket. For sidewinders, you'll select your pipe size and then use the last two numbers of the SKU to pick the length. Then choose the product grade you'd like. To learn more about the differences between the two, click on the information icons here. For the original snakes, you can refer to the pipe coverage chart to determine how much pipe you can insulate with the different sizes of snake. Now, choose the width of the product and then, like before, use the last two digits of the SKU to select the length and then choose the product grade. For either option, make sure that you add a note to the item for future reference when installing the insulation. And now, on to the installation procedure. If you added notes to your basket on Quote Pro, you can refer to those notes here as a reminder of where each product needs to go. For original snakes, partially wrap the snake around the pipe and then fasten one end with a snake strap. Continue wrapping with at least 2 inches of overlap and make sure not to wrap the snake too tightly as the fiberglass insulation needs room to expand. Once you reach the end, fasten this side with a strap as well, and to finish the installation, tuck in the ends. For sidewinders, simply lay the insulation over the length of the pipe and fasten it down using the integrated snake straps. Now tuck in the ends. It's important that you don't over-tighten the snakes with snake straps or other fasteners, as overly compressing the insulation will reduce the R value. And make sure that you don't cut the snakes, as they will no longer be weatherproof. Now you know everything that you need to properly protect your pipes from the cold. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for using insulation snakes.